Here is today's question. We have to expand the following. Since we're having two brackets, we have to expand 4 times. So let me connect each. Then we could write the expression as 2 times by 2 plus 2 times by minus 5pq plus 5pq times by 2 plus 5pq times by minus 5pq. Then we get 4 minus 10pq plus 10pq and minus 25p squared and q squared. We could cancel the inner two terms. The result is 4 minus 25p squared q squared. So this is the result for the first example. Now let's try to expand this example. We could rewrite the expression as bracket 3p plus 5q bracket times by 3p plus 5q again. That's the meaning of something to the power of 2. So we need to expand 4 times again to expand it. Then we could write 3p times by 3p plus 3p times by 5q plus 5q times by 3p plus 5q times by 5q. We just have to solve that expression. So let's multiply those to get 9p squared plus 15pq plus 15pq again and plus 25q to the squared. Combine the like terms, then we get 9p squared plus 30pq plus 25q squared. So this is the result for the second example. New math lessons uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.